Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to first of all use the eyedropper tool, and I'm also going to show you how to change colours of certain parts of your canvas. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the eyedropper tool, which is this tool here. Now what this tool will allow you to do is it will allow you to choose a certain colour that you've got on your canvas. So say for example I want to get that shade of green there. I can click on the eyedropper tool and then click on the green there, and you'll see that at the bottom here, this little square there, it has sampled that colour for me. So I'll show you that again. You click on the eyedropper tool and you click on that colour. So you can see now it's changed to red because I clicked on the NME. But now I want the green, so I'm just going to click on the green, and there you go. That is how you sample a colour. I also then want to change the colour of this NME masthead. So the easiest way to do that is to first of all choose the paint bucket tool. Now you can see here on Photoshop on the right, on Photo P on the right hand side, some of these little tools here, I've got a little arrow at the side of it. Now what that basically means is it means you've got another option of what tool you can use. So if I click and hold on the gradient tool, I've got the paint bucket tool. Okay, so I'm going to click that, and then first of all make sure I've got the right layer chosen. If I just click on the N, the M and the E, you'll see it's changed to a nice different colour. It's the colour I want. So that's how you use the eyedropper tool and how you use the paint bucket tool.